I'm Kevin with IPC Eagle. Today we're going to talk about tank vacs, specifically our GC 290 AD, our pump out vac. Let's take a look inside and see how it works. This machine has a float shut off, so if the capacity of the tank is reached, it prevents water from getting into the motors. The float assembly can be removed without tools. So when it needs to be cleaned, you clean all the screen, drop the float back in, put it on with no tools. The pump out series is available in 3 different configurations: a single vac motor, a dual vac motor, and a 3 vac motor head. What makes this a pump out vac is the sump pump motor located in the bottom of the tank. Let's take a look. Inside the tank is a sump pump motor, which has a float. So when the water raises the float, it automatically discharges the water out the back of the unit. So it continually vacuum and discharge at the same time. Here's the float. On the back side of the tank, if you're not using the discharge motor, you can simply drain the machine by this hose. Otherwise, when the discharge motor is activated, the water comes out of this fitting right here, which has 2 different connections. Here's the hose adapter that clamps right onto the machine. You've got your first adapter for a standard garden hose that'll thread right into this fitting. Or if you want to go with a larger hose, you've got your secondary one that'll thread back into the fitting. Depending on which pump out vac you get, there's a 1 motor, a 2, and a 3 motor. The 1 motor is a single cord unit. The 2 motor and 3 motor is a dual cord unit. Okay, to demonstrate how this unit works, we're going to turn on the vacs. They're going to take the water out of the barrel. The tank is going to fill, the float is going to come up, and the water is going to discharge out the back side of the vac. Okay, when we recover the water from the floor, there's 2 different ways to go about it. First is using the wand assembly, hooking up the vacuum hose to here and to the intake and simply picking up. The most popular accessory we have is our front mount squeegee. Let's see how it operates. On the back side of the unit, you'll notice we have the foot pedal that'll raise and lower that front squeegee. Okay, that's the IPC Eagle Pump Out Series, available with a 1 motor, a 2 motor, and a 3 motor. For more information, contact us at ipceagle.com. Thank you.